Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we'll learn about article writing. Now suppose you have some opinions regarding a topic and you want to tell people about it. How will you do so? You can tell the opinions to persons near you, but what if you want to tell not only those people but say the world? How will you do so? You will write those opinions, isn't it? Many a time you have seen some writers or people write their problems and suggestions in some newspapers, magazines, and journals or in their blogs. They are writing their opinions and beliefs in the form of an article. In this video, we'll get ourselves familiar with article writing and the article writing format. This is a very important topic for class 9th. So you must learn all about article writing properly because you will be getting a question for around 8 marks and you have to write a very beautiful article in your exam. Students, you must have read a lot of articles in your magazines, in your school magazines, in newspapers, and so on. Now, let us understand what is an article. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals, so as to make some difference to the world. An article may be defined as a short piece of non-fiction material. It is meant for the general public to read. An article may be written for a magazine or a newspaper, the topics of which may vary from being a narration of an experience, an assessment of common current affairs, a description of a particular issue, or a kind of a journal or report of anything worth the discussion. तो बेटा जो आर्टिकल्स होते हैं आपके उनमें आप किसी टॉपिक को लेकर उसके बारे में पब्लिक को अवेयर कराते हैं या अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं या जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं, करंट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, करंट सिनेरियो है, उसके बारे में अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू पुट योर ओन ओपिनियंस and you want to express your feelings and your approval or your disappointment towards something which is going on in the world or around you, that can be written as an article. Now, an article has some objectives like it brings out the topics or the matter of interest in the limelight. It offers suggestions and pieces of advice, and we must take care of a lot of things while writing an article, and we'll be discussing further in this video how we should write an article, and we'll understand all about article writing. Now let us know about the points to remember while writing an article. First of all, the heading should be a single word, a phrase. You know what a phrase is, a group. It should be thought-provoking. And the title or the heading should not be more than 5 to 6 words. Now next is an article consists of 3 paragraphs. Not more than 3 paragraphs, each dealing with at least one main idea linked together. Next, the vocabulary should be adequate and range of the grammatical structure should be unlimited. You should use impressive vocabulary, you should use proper punctuation marks, and no grammatical error should be seen in your article. Next is the point which you must remember is proper arrangement and interrelation of ideas and sentences should be taken care of. You must elaborate all your points properly and it should be linked together. जो भी आप बात कहना चाहते हैं उसको आपको प्रॉपरली समझाना चाहिए आपके जो आप पैराग्राफ्स लिख रहे हैं उनमें, और जो भी आप आइडिया कन्वे करना चाह रहे हैं वो एक प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट उनकी होनी चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी हैफजार्ड, कहीं से कुछ भी आपने एकदम से लिख दिया. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. एंड यू मस्ट ऑलवेज अडियर टू वर्ड लिमिट्स. आर्टिकल राइटिंग में आपको हम यू शुड नॉट एक्सीड, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यू कीप ऑन राइटिंग. जितना आपको वर्ड लिमिट दिया है आपको विद इन दैट यू हैव टू राइट द article. And lastly, the layouts must be correct. जो आर्टिकल फॉर्मेट है आपका, जो लेआउट है उसका, वो बहुत ही करेक्ट होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी इनकरेक्ट. And your article should be worth reading. Now let us know about the attributes of an article. Now what are the attributes of an article? Number 1, describes an event, person, experience, etc. Now जो एक आर्टिकल होता है बेटा, वो एक या तो इवेंट को, एक पर्सन को, एक एक्सपीरियंस को डिस्क्राइब करता है. सेकेंडली, इट प्रेजेंट्स एन ओपिनियन. जो भी राइटर है, द पर्सन हु इज़ राइटिंग एन आर्टिकल, उसके ओपिनियन को प्रेजेंट करता है वो आर्टिकल. नाउ thirdly, इट प्रोवाइड्स इंफॉर्मेशन. जो आपका आर्टिकल है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन भी प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी आपको, तभी वो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. वो सिर्फ एक मतलब आपकी सोच नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट आपको उसमें कुछ फैक्ट्स और फिगर भी इंक्लूड करने पड़ेंगे. इट शुड ऑल्सो हैव कंट्रास्ट्स. मतलब जो आप कह रहे हैं उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स दोनों बताने पड़ेंगे, एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नरेट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस. कोई भी जो भी आपने एक्सपीरियंस, जो राइटर है उसके जो एक्सपीरियंस है उनको वो नरेट करता है उस आर्टिकल में. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ऑफर सजेशंस. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अगर है तो उसमें क्या क्या सजेशंस होने चाहिए वो राइटर उसमें बताता है. अपने खुद के सजेशंस कि क्या उसको बेटर करने के लिए कर सकते हैं. और डिस्क्राइब्स प्रॉब्लम्स. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं सोसाइटी में या वर्ल्ड वाइड, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उनको डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड द लास्ट एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज़ इट ऑफर्स एडवाइस. मतलब आप किसी को कोई एडवाइस दे रहे हैं अपने आर्टिकल के थ्रू. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव द फॉर्मेट ऑफ एन आर्टिकल. हाउ एन आर्टिकल शुड बी written. Firstly, you have the title or heading. The heading should be eye-catching and should have the central theme. Next, we have the introduction part. You must write your article in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph will be your introduction paragraph. So in this, topics should be put in perspective. It should draw readers' attention, should give some startling facts. Now, what do you mean by putting in perspective? It means you show that you realize or make others realize the importance of the thing you are referring to in your article. Now next you have the exposition of the topic. The middle paragraph should spell out the various aspects to the topic: merits, demerits, causes, effects, advantages, disadvantages, etc. And lastly you have the conclusion. Your article should be concluded with a suggestion, hope, or a warning. So you see students, this is the format of an article which you must follow while writing an article. The first is your title or heading part. Then you have the introduction, position of the topic in the middle paragraph, and lastly you have the conclusion. So your format should be exactly as given here. Now students, while writing an article, you must make use of for या जो आप लिखना चाहते हैं regarding the topic, आप वो rough work में जो आपको provided होगा उसमें आप, so that जब आप आर्टिकल लिखना शुरू करें तो आपको ज़्यादा सोचना ना पड़े. एक आपके पास एक proper layout that the composition becomes net unit. आपने जितने भी जो ideas आपने collect किए हैं, so on. Next is D, which stands for draft the ideas. Okay, what you have to write in the and which points will come in which paragraph. You have 3 paragraph for the exposition and the last paragraph is your conclusion. So you must draft your ideas. Then you have E, which stands for edit the ideas. Go through the written matter and make the required corrections. If you want to make any corrections, you can do it here. Okay, and lastly you have R, which stands for revise the draft. Now you have to revise the whole draft and make the final draft. अब आप जो भी आपने आइडियाज़ कलेक्ट किए हैं, उन्हें ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, उनको आप रिवाइज करेंगे. सो दिस इज कोडर. Now students, here is your marking scheme for an article. You will be asked to write an article for 8 marks, 4 marks for the content or the ideas presented, 2 marks for the fluency or how effective is the language, the kind of vocabulary, marks for the accuracy of the article. So you must keep in your head all these points while writing an article. Students, I hope you've understood how to write an article and what all points you must keep in your mind writing an article. Sample articles which I have given you here, you have to read them, and for your homework I've given you 2 articles which you are supposed to write in your rough notebook.